What's up, everyone? We're out here at Baker's Factory. We're going to take you guys on a little lap here, show you guys what we get into, a little POV cam. So yeah, do a little commentary for you guys as well. A little cruise lap. Come around here. Finish line. Go into the whoops here. Little straightaway. Pivot down the turn. Little double triple here. 3 in. Another 3 here. Love a little inside double. Triple. Stadium triple. Double here. On off. On off again. Last turn here. That's a lap. That's a lap at Baker's Factory.